This is Steve Pastillo from P2 Automation. Here's another example of a benefit our clients receive when they're on a managed service plan. It's our custom module for winning and losing opportunities. On the surface, when you click Close as One on an opportunity, the screen that pops up will look very familiar. We emulated the out-of-the-box window that appears when you click Close as One. But maybe you don't want or need all of these fields. For example, your only choice under status reason is 1. Does it need to appear? Maybe you want to remove that. Estimated revenue and close date seem pretty logical, but competitor? Some people actually want that. You want to know who you beat, but maybe you don't. We can remove that. And description. Maybe when you win a job, you're just happy to win it and you don't want to elaborate on that. We can remove that field. Or, more importantly, maybe you need additional information. For example, let's say you're a project-based business, and every time you win an opportunity, you want to have the chance to create a project record. We can add that. Or maybe you want to create an account number. We can prompt you for that as well. The account number would be added to the account. What if the account already has an account number? We can customize this module for that too. The point is, we can make this process work according to your needs, so you don't have to adjust your business to fit the software. And of course, we could do the same thing with the close as lost. Often you will want to have a status reason. Was it outsold? Did you get beat by a competitor? Or was it just canceled? We can set this up to say, if it was outsold, prompt me for the competitor, but if it was canceled, maybe there is no competitor. So we can leave that off. Or maybe you want to send an email to thank the customer for the opportunity, even though you didn't win it. We can automate that. The choices are endless because it's a custom module. We can do whatever you want. But we only offer this feature to our managed service clients. If you'd like more information about our managed service program, or if you have a specific process you need help with, reach out to us today at www.p2automation.com. And remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel.